In this video, I will show you step by step systematically how I scored full marks in my English essays. And also, I scored A+ in English for my SPM 2022. And for your information, in this previous video, I shared my personal system in scoring your English listening paper. So the link is here, make sure you check it out after this. Alright, so let's get started. So to know how to get higher mark in your English writing paper, you have to know how your teacher marked your paper. So for this English writing paper, we have total 3 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. And for each part, the total mark is 20 marks. So when your teacher is marking your paper, they will mark your essay based on 4 aspects. C, CA, O, L. C stands for content, CA stands for communicative achievement, O stands for organization, L stands for language. So the total mark for each of this session is 5 marks. So that we can have total 20 marks for the whole essay. So now I'm going to share with you how to score each of this session. Alright, so we start for the first one, content. That means your main point. So the main point of your essay comes from the questions. For example, this question, part 2, you have to write an essay about the importance of the internet to students. So this question, they tell you, you should write about these 3 points. You have to write about the importance of the internet and the reasons and also when you usually use the internet. So these 3 points will be your main point and you must touch each of them. Okay, so this will be your C1, C2, C3. C stands for content and you see for C2, reasons. S, plural form. That means you have to give me 2 or more points for C2. So here is example answer from me. So the first main point about importance of the internet, I write about the internet allows students to switch to online learning when MCO was implemented. Okay, this is the first main point. The second main point, you have to give me the reasons. So you have to tell me why online learning is important. Because I choose to talk about online learning, so you have to tell me why online learning is important. So here you have to give me at least 2 reasons. So the first reason I say because I could continue to follow up on the lesson that were conducted online when students were not allowed to attend physical class in school. So this is the first reason. The second reason is millions of pieces of information can be accessed in no time. That means immediately. So this is the second main point that you have to talk about. So the third main point is when you usually use the internet. So this is my answer. I usually use the internet when an examination is around the corner. So all of these are my main points. So that is the first session, content. Now we go to the next session, communicative achievement. How can we score this session? Basically, this session includes 5 things. Elaborations, your tone. Is it attractive? Did you use correct format? Is it relevant to the topic? So the first one, elaboration. So your teacher will say, did you explain your idea? Did you elaborate? And did you explain it clearly, straightforward? So for elaboration, I strongly suggest you to give at least 1 elaboration for 1 point. So for elaboration, here is my example. The red color words are the main point and the blue color words are the elaboration. So you see, for every single main point, I will give at least 1 elaboration. And make sure you keep everything straightforward. And then for your part 2 and part 3, you can include examples in your explanation to enhance your point. So that's the first thing, elaboration. The second thing is your tone. So for example, in your part 1, if you want to write an email to your friend to support him or to encourage him to do something, then your teacher will see, is your sentence convincing? So that's the second thing, tone. The third thing is about, is it attractive? Would you hold the attention of the target readers? So to make your essay more attractive, you can put some general knowledge into your essay to level up your essay to increase the maturity of your essays. But the question is, hey, there's so many general knowledge in this world. How can I know? What type of general knowledge should I know? Very easy, you just have to utilize your textbook. So open your textbook, go to the content pages, you will see all these topics, right? So you just have to prepare some general knowledge for each of these topics. And take out your notebook, write down the general knowledge into sentence. And after you put it into sentence, make sure you use ChatGPT to check whether there's grammar mistakes. And here is my personal tip for you, which is you can utilize the knowledge that you learn from the other subjects. For example, your biology, physics, chemistry, science, sejarah, etc. other subjects. So for example, when you talk about healthy diet, you can use the knowledge that you learn in biology, right? Which is about nutrition. But please take note, you don't have to describe your knowledge too much, too professional. For example, you don't have to go and describe the whole process of digestion from chewing to pooping, don't have to. You just have to point out the part that is relevant to the point that you want to say. And also keep everything straightforward. So this is for the third thing. Is it attractive? So the fourth thing is about your format. Okay, so this is very simple. You have different type of essay like review, report, etc. So for all these formats essay, you have to always double confirm the format with your teacher. So this is the fourth thing. Now the fifth thing is it relevant to the topic? So please take note, when you're writing your essay, if you have prepared all those general knowledge, but let's say if the general knowledge that you prepared is actually not that appropriate to be in this essay, then don't put it in your essay. Don't be greedy. You have to always make sure your essay is relevant to the topic. So all these things are for your second session, communicative achievement. Now let's go to the third session, organization. So for organization, there C is your essay organized. So to score this session, you have to put cohesive device in your essay. That means penanda wacana in English. This is my example answer, one paragraph. So you can see the highlighted parts are the cohesive device. First and foremost, as, like, truth be told, so on and so forth. So you can see I formed the complete sentence to connect my points and my elaboration together. So that's the third thing, organization. Now we go to the fourth thing, language. So here's 4 tips for you to score this session. So the first one is, of course, try your very best to avoid any grammar mistakes. Please take note, if there's a sentence that sounds good, but you're not sure whether the grammar is correct or not, then don't put this sentence into essay. Or you can change the way you express it, because we want to play safe. So this is the first thing. The second thing is try to put some low frequency words into your essay. That means all those fancy words, but not that much. And the third thing is put some different phrases or idioms into your essay. And the fourth thing is try to vary the pattern of your sentence. So instead of saying we are kind to everyone, maybe you can try to put the word kind to the front. So it will be our kindness reaches everyone. So that's how you can score all these 4 sessions for your essay writing. So now I'm gonna give you extra tips in this writing paper. So the first one, time management. The total time for this paper is 1.5 hours. So my suggestion is part 1, 15 minutes, part 2, 30 minutes, part 3, 30 minutes, and then you have extra 15 minutes left. This is for answer checking. So when you're checking your answer, here is a personal tip. When you're reading your own essay, imagine you are the teacher. You're marking your own paper, so judge your own essay. So how to judge your essay? So in next video, I will show you the real SPM excellent essays by your seniors. And that is exactly the SPM paper, the answers that your seniors pass up in their SPM exam. Don't worry, it's legal to know because that material is released by the government. So of course, I will tell you how to access to all those useful material as well. And also from their excellent essay by your senior, you can see how my strategy works well in scoring this paper. Alright, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to my